Ladies and gents, good morning. Hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's a beautiful, beautiful December day. Last week of December, and we have 60 degrees. Literally. 60-degree day. It's gonna be 66 today. Very much exciting. My bro, you got plenty of room. Ranger, am I right? Ranger drivers, am I right? It's a gorgeous day on this Thursday. A busy day. Bro, are you gonna go? I get it, you're from New Jersey, but you missed your chance to go. Bro. That was not the smartest maneuver, but what are you gonna do? That was a little unnecessarily spicy, but I knew the New Jersey man is gonna take forever. They're all still back there, waiting to turn. And then we got another Lincoln Continental car behind me. So yeah, on this beautiful day, I did have a topic in mind. I was going to say something about riding year-round and winter riding and all of that. Yeah, the bike, new spark plugs, man, still going. It is time for some maintenance. There's always time for maintenance on this bike. We'll see how that is. And I'm just ready. I'm just happy to be able to ride. Look at those kids having fun waiting for the bus. I'm just happy that I can fucking ride to work, you know. And today I'm actually excited. Well, I'm like bummed out and excited at the same time, because I was supposed to travel to Staten Island today for work. This is the longest fucking ride ever. God damn. I'm gonna have to cut him off. There you go. I was supposed to go to Staten Island for my jobby job, and I was gonna ride there. It was gonna be a beautiful day and all that, and guess what? I am no longer required to go to Staten. So now I'm just gonna be working at the office, which I prefer anyway, because I have to do a lot of shit. I have to do a lot of stuff. So it's nice to be able to focus. Bro, really? What are you fucking doing? Holy shit. That person is from Maryland. Anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna focus in on that. And also, people have been telling me about the, you know, oh yeah, I was gonna talk about the setup, the GoPro setup. Yes, because I'm still using 7 black. So I just wonder, like, I've been thinking about the new GoPro. Is it worth getting the new GoPro, the GoPro 10? Because right now there's some sick deals going on. But I just heard that there's a few issues, you know, like overheating obviously is not going to be an issue for me because the camera is outside. It's getting hit by the wind. But I don't know. My microphone setup is the same. So someone recently mentioned that they can't hear me as well, which is kind of surprising because the setup is the same. The only thing that changed is the helmet. So I'm sorry if my voice is quieter. Shouldn't be. But what do you guys think? Should I upgrade to GoPro 10? Tell me in the comments. How is the 7 black looking? Is it like past its usefulness in prime, or is there still a little bit of meat on the bones? Hey, all right, I gotta get into character for a minute. I gotta get ahead here because this is kind of a weird pace. We're kind of doing it by the law, if you know what I mean. All right. That's the police. Oh, school safety. Like one of those little ones, one of those little guys. I don't think they will care if I lane split past them. But you never know. Let's focus. This is a dangerous activity. Bra, with that big ass trailer. Son of a bitch. Always New Jersey. Always gotta be New Jersey. And look at that shit. Turn in, you fuck. You going? No? Son of a bitch. Totally fine. No stress at all. Look at this nonsense. There we go. We are back. 52 degrees. Beautiful Brooklyn. Fucking lane splitting galore over there. Nothing but splitting. So yeah, do let me know. Should I go for the new GoPro? I mean, the answer is probably yes. You know, I certainly got 3-4 years out of this one, I'd say. I think these guys are taking a left, because otherwise they would not be creeping like this. Unless he's literally driving like that. Fucking jerk off. Let's see. Yep. Yep. That's the guy. Jerk off. I don't even use the word jerk off. That's the funny thing. Jerk off is a word I only use for riding purposes. Paul over here. What is happening? Go ahead. This is a cab. My boy's gonna take a right and we'll go straight. Probably not gonna make this light though. No. That happens. It's part of it. That's part of the pepperoni pizza. I think my chain is on too tight. My buddy and I were messing, well, I was cleaning the chain and all that, and my buddy set it up and he was like, he's a pro, he knows what he's doing, but he was like, I'll do it one time. How much you want to bet? He put on my chain too tight. I swear to God, I'm gonna check it right now, and if it's too tight, he's fucked. So many taxi cabs in the morning. It's like Uber Central around here. Fancy ones too. Fucking Benz Ubers. Somebody's got that buka cash. Never parked on this street. It's too far. It is cute though. With this new building here. I love it. Can't wait to see what they do with the businesses and all that. All right. Today might be the day I get a breakfast sandwich. Sausage, egg, and cheddar cheese. New York City style, baby. If you don't know what sausage, egg, and cheese is, Google it. YouTube it, Sausage, Egg, and Cheese NYC, and you people will fucking weep. There we go. Parking right here, my bae. No parking Friday. Well, guess what? Today is Thursday. Damn, bro. My chain is sounding bad. Why is that? I don't know. Chain is on too tight, bro. Listen to it. Right forward, it's fine. Back, it sounds funny. I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to figure it out. We'll have to take a look at that shit. But for now, thank you for watching. Actually, no. Let's check it out together. Why the hell not? No. Weird. It's not too tight. I don't know. Weird noise. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.